There's a liquid seed tube there that we've done just to do a few trials, and that's worked very well. But yeah, as you can see, the other good thing about these units, these row units, is if you've got a vertical fold, you don't necessarily have to have a stack fold machine, because these things, the doors lift up, easy to get bags into. It's a 70-litre hopper, and so when you close it down, it just shuts up. Nice and easy. You can fold up, nothing will leak, can't come out, and it's simple as. The other good thing when we're doing the trials today, you'll notice here there's a trap door. These doors in here, when the disc's in, you can actually see seed being stuck or sucked by the vacuum onto your disc. So it's a peace of mind thing. You come in there really simply, put it in test mode, get it spinning over. Or actual fact, what you can do, if you can see this red button here, each of these motors has a red button, so you push that twice, that actually turns the unit over, so you can sit there and see seed coming out on the ground wherever, so you know your unit's working.